Hello students, today I am going to start the preparation of alkane. So the first preparation is reduction of unsaturated hydrocarbon. So what is the meaning of reduction? As we know, reduction means addition of hydrogen. So if you are adding the hydrogen to your unsaturated hydrocarbon, then you will get a alkane. Now the next thing is, what is unsaturated hydrocarbon? Here you have a alkene or alkyne. So by using this two, either you can use alkene or alkyne, and do the addition of hydrogen, you will get the alkene. So here the first example I am going to take is of alkene. A simple example of alkene is ethane. So ethene मैंने यहाँ पे यूज किया है. ethene का ये फॉर्मूला है. ethene means two carbon with a double bond. So this is ethene, and I am going to add here H2 as we are going to do the reduction of this alkene. So whenever you are doing reduction, you need some catalyst, or you require some reducing agent. So here I want a catalyst which is a metal. It can be nickel, it can be platinum, or it can be palladium. Means among these three you can use any one metal. Okay, so we out of these three, take any one metal. Then you require high temperature and high pressure to do this reaction. Now this H2, that means there is two atom of hydrogen, and here you can see double bond. So whenever you see a double bond, so addition will take place on that carbon atom. So here one hydrogen will add up, and here one hydrogen will add up among these two hydrogen like this. Okay, and when the addition takes place, this hydrogen and this hydrogen, the pi bond will break, and then the addition will take place. So if I break the pi bond and if I add hydrogen, I'm going to get CH3, which is our ethane. Okay, likewise you can take here any different alkene. For example, I am taking here propene. Propene means 3 carbon with a double bond. Again I am using H2 because we are doing reduction. Then here you can take any one, nickel, platinum, or palladium, same thing, high temperature and high pressure. Here again you can see H2 is there, where the addition will take place where there is a double bond. तो जहाँ पे double bond है सिर्फ वहीं पर addition होता है, like this here. याद रखो यहाँ पे addition नहीं हो सकता because वहाँ पे sigma bond है. So keep the CH3 as it is with a sigma bond. This CH with H will become CH2. Your double bond will become single bond, and this CH2 with H will become CH3. That means we got propane. Okay. Now I am going to take the second one, that is alkyne. Let's talk about alkyne now. Alkyne means carbon-carbon triple bond. So for example, I take here ethyne. This is ethyne means two carbon with a triple bond, and I am going to add H2. Same situation, means same condition, platinum or palladium you can use, high temperature and high pressure. And here you can see there is a triple bond. So if you add one hydrogen, your triple bond will become double bond. But I want single bond because I am going to prepare alkane. That means I have to use this H2 molecule 2 times. So what will happen? 2 hydrogen here and 2 hydrogen here. Total 4 hydrogen is going to add. On the first carbon 2 hydrogen, on the second carbon 2 hydrogen. Directly your triple bond will become single bond. So the formula will be CH3. This is ethane. Okay, whenever you see a triple bond, there only the addition will take place. So this is another example with the 3 carbon and triple bond. This is propyne. Again I need to require the 2 H2 molecule. Same thing you will take, either nickel, platinum, palladium, high temperature and high pressure. Alright, now this two is a 4 hydrogen you are going to add where there is a triple bond. So here you have a triple bond, 2 hydrogen here, 2 hydrogen here. Okay, so if you do the addition, CH3 will remain as it is. This C with 2 hydrogen means CH2. Triple bond will directly convert into single bond, and this CH with 2 hydrogen, CH3. So you got propane. So here you can see हाइड्रोजन तुमने अल्कीन को अल्केन में कन्वर्ट किया और अल्काइन को अल्केन में कन्वर्ट किया. तो इस तरीके से हम रिडक्शन ऑफ अनसैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन करके इसका रिएक्शन हम लोग ने इस तरीके से कर लिया. नाउ देर इज मोर रिएक्शंस, जैसे कि और भी रिएक्शंस है जिसका हम कर सकते हैं. सो वी आर गोइंग टू डू नाउ रिडक्शन ऑफ अल्काइल हैलाइड. सो अल्काइल हैलाइड लेंगे और उसका रिडक्शन करेंगे. सो देन ऑल्सो वी कैन प्रिपेयर alkane. So the second method is reduction of alkyl halide. So reduction means again same addition of hydrogen, and alkyl halide means Rx. Your Rx is alkyl halide. So I am going to take one example of alkyl halide. Suppose I am taking your, see, this is 2 carbon ethyl and this is bromide. So the name of the compound is ethyl bromide. As I am doing reduction, so I want to add 2 hydrogen, but here in this reaction we are adding 2 nascent hydrogen. In the previous reaction we were using H2 molecule, but here we have a nascent hydrogen, and this nascent hydrogen will come from zinc and concentrated HCl. When zinc react with concentrated HCl, it gives out 2 nascent hydrogen, and then this 2 nascent hydrogen will undergo a reaction with a alkyl halide. Now what will happen, students? This 2 hydrogen, so 1 hydrogen will add over here, and this another hydrogen will add on the carbon which is attached to your halogen. So what will happen if this addition takes place? The sigma bond between your carbon and halogen will break. So this will become CH3 as it is. This CH2 with hydrogen is CH3 again, and plus you can see HBr. तो इस तरीके से हमें बाय प्रोडक्ट भी मिल रहा है इसमें, एंड अवर प्रोडक्ट इज ईथेन. सो यू कैन गो फॉर द सम अदर रिएक्शन. जैसे कि मैंने ब्रांच ले लिया यहाँ पे, नो प्रॉब्लम. इफ यू हैव अ ब्रांच ऑल्सो देर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. दिस इज आइसोप्रोपाइल क्लोराइड. Isopropyl chloride. I am doing the same thing, that is reduction. Same condition you require, concentrated HCl. Now this 2 hydrogen, where you are going to add, as I told you, 1 hydrogen will add with your halogen and another will be add on the carbon which is attached to your halogen. That means this one. ठीक है, तो ये जो बॉन्ड है ना, ये ब्रेक हो जाएगा कार्बन और हैलोजन का. तो ये हो जाएगा CH3 as it is. ठीक है, ये CH के साथ हाइड्रोजन ऐड हो गया, ये हो जाएगा CH2. देन दिस CH3 विल रिमेन एज इट इज. प्लस ये देखो बॉन्ड ब्रेक होके H और Cl दिख रहा है. सो माई बाय प्रोडक्ट इज HCl. सो आई गॉट हियर प्रोपेन. So likewise you can take any alkyl halide, like it can be branch one, it can be straight one. You can do the reduction and you can prepare alkane. So these are the 2 reactions I wanted to share.